Hey everybody, it's Kaylee here. I'm going to show you how to sign up for our group exercise classes now moving forward. You're going to go to our website, lifecenterplus.com, and on the left-hand column at the bottom is self-service. When you click on that, it's going to bring you up with our member self-service portal. The first time you log in, your username and password is going to be your membership ID number. Most of them start with an LCP and some digits. Some of our older membership cards have just numbers. So you're going to plug that in for the first time that you log in. And then once you hit the login button, it will prompt you to create your own new password. So something a little bit more personal. You just got to make sure that you create a password that matches all the different criteria. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to hit save once I'm done at the bottom of the screen. And some of you have used our self-service portal, so you've already done that. If you have logged in, you don't have to recreate your password. So this is just the first time that you log in. And once you do this, you don't have to do it every time. It's, like I said, just the first time. So once I hit save, it's going to show my passwords updated, and then it's going to immediately take me to my dashboard. So everyone's dashboard looks the same. It's going to show a bunch of different features. Right now, I'm just going to focus on showing everyone how to sign up for classes. But you can essentially update your billing information, your contact information, all that. So in the top right-hand side is the upcoming classes. You're going to click on the class schedule button. And it's going to start loading. It's going to default to the current day. And as you can see over here, you can sort by day of or week of if you wanted to. And it's going to list all of our classes, including our paid reformer classes. So if I want to go to week of, I can hit this little calendar icon. And I'm going to go for the first day that we reopen. So it's going to show all the classes, and you can also sort by category of classes too. We do have a lot of classes for our normal schedules, so that might be helpful. So as you can see, the classes, most of them are showing as not eligible. That is because you have 24 hours before the class starts to sign up. You cannot sign up any earlier. So that's why these are all showing not eligible. Our reformers, obviously, they're a paid service, so they're showing a drop-in fee. If I try and click on one of the classes ahead of time, it's going to not allow me to sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this one. We've made this one open for me to show everyone. I'm going to take the Power of Vinyasa class for Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. It pulls up the description. If I wanted to enroll my husband, which I don't think he would appreciate, I would do that. You hit sign up, and it basically goes to show you almost like a cart, a shopping cart. Our classes are included in the membership, so obviously it says it's free, so I can hit continue. And it's going to go ahead and process it and show that I'm enrolled. So now it's just going to take me back to almost like an order receipt, and I can go back to my dashboard if I wanted to. As you can see, it now shows it on my upcoming classes area. You can also view it under my calendar. If you click there and scroll down, you can sort this calendar just like any other calendar by month, week view, but it's going to show a little red indicator for any class that I'm signed up for. So if I had more than one class, it would show a couple dots. And if I hover over it, it's going to show the class name. I can click on that dot, and it's going to pull up the confirmation of the class. And this is also where I can unenroll. So if something happens and I can't make that class, I can unenroll in the class. It's going to send me to the confirmation page for unenrolling it. And then if for some reason I can't go to the class, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Because there's a max capacity, if you cannot make the class, please unenroll. We will be monitoring people that are no-shows, and repeat offenders may lose their privileges for signing up for the classes. This is because we have limited occupancy now in our classes and our studio rooms. And I'm just